Hello, good morning. This is Dr. Fix. I have a discussion of a problem which I know most of you guys might be hearing about, or maybe if you're not hearing about it, definitely you might have it right now. And I think that's probably a very common problem with most Volkswagen model start from Make 4 upward, but I think this is very much more common with the Make 5. And here we got a Jetta Make 5 that have the same issue. And what's the problem we're talking about here? A situation where one of the door is not locking while every other door locks. So here, when you have the remote key fob, like here, let me press it. You just had it lock, right? So gonna come here and try to open it. It won't open. See, this one is open. Now, there is a first situation right there. That's a sign that this very actuator here is actually failing. And you can see that indicative here because the security has just popped out because the car actually is feeling that all the door is locked, but it's not all locked. So we're having this door right now. I think in this case now it could be probably electronic issue. Why? Because most often times I haven't seen this problem on this very door side. It's actually that front door, but in some cases it could be any door. Any door could be the problem. And what's the problem that could be is actually this door actuator here. I think you need a service. You need to, there are some certain service that you need to be performed that to actually get it back. Now, the solution which I'm going to be offering for you guys today who are having this problem, first of all, to turn that shit off, just going to press it, unlock it, and it unlocks. So what I'm going to be teaching you guys to do today is I'm going to be teaching you guys some way to be able to lock it if suppose you haven't got to either service this very door latch, door actuator here. If you've not been able to service it or replace it with a new one which is going to fix the problem, then the next thing which you want to do is what I'm going to be teaching you. So let's lock it again and try. This time we're not going to push it once, we're going to push it twice. So okay, now the first lock right there, if you listen very well, the first lock actually locked this door, and the second push, that's the first push. Oh, come on. The first push actually locked this door, and the second push actually locked this one. So let's try to see if we're gonna open this one. Is open. Now, so at that confirms that this actuator has a problem. And I'm actually having the same problem on the other side there. So the situation which you're gonna be having here, I mean the solution which you're gonna be having in this very situation here is, wanna open this door, right? There should be a button right here that shows something like a key. I'm gonna show you that on the driver's side, and that's it right here. Because VW actually know that this is gonna be a problem with most of their models, so they have actually implemented a manual solution that's gonna fix this temporarily prior to when you're gonna take this car back to a garage or the dealership to get this problem resolved by replacing this. But in my own opinion, in my own expert opinion, I actually think that it could be dirt, maybe some dirt and debris that get into this actuator that's not allowing it to lock very well because it's supposed to be very smooth, all right? But if suppose anything, just hold it back in place when it's supposed to lock by remote key fob and it doesn't, then it won't lock. So when you remove this thing here, which you should use your key to get out, that's why they draw the key there, right? But this one I'm gonna use my hand to remove it. You can see there is a red button right there. If you look in there, there's a red button right there. So as soon as you use anything to push it, right? I'm gonna do it on to the other side because this one is locking. When I push it, then it's gonna lock. So that's gonna be emergency lock that you use in the case you run into this kind of a problem that I'm actually sharing with you guys now. So let me go over to the other side and lock it that way. before locking the door, then I show you guys that it works. So here, this one is locking, and I think those guys have actually misplaced it. So gonna press it in, just push it in. As you push it in, it should go all the way in like this. Then this is locked. So if I jam this door right now, it's not gonna unlock. So hey guy, try to unlock this door. Let's take a look at it. And you see it's locked. So that's gonna be emergency lock. So I hope you find this very informative and very helpful. If you have any other problem with your Jetta or any of your Volkswagen, you might likewise want to do this to other part of the door until when you got this problem fixed. But for this very moment, I hope this very solution which I offered for you is very helpful prior to when you're gonna replace that door actuator or you're gonna service it. In this very case, if we're gonna be servicing it, we're gonna try to service that, but it's not on this very episode. When we're doing that, we're gonna cover it up to see if it works or it doesn't work. So if you want to stick tuned, the best way to catch up with that very event is for you to subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up to this video so it can help some other people who have this problem into finding this video quicker when they have a problem. Then the other thing you want to do there is to hit the notification bell icon. I have been told by YouTube that I have 95%, 95 to 98% of people who subscribe to my channel turn off their notification. And if you have been among those, then you should turn it on so you can be alerted when I upload this video, so you can follow along and use that information for your own good. It doesn't cost you anything, right? So with that said, I don't think I have any much time to burn out here because I have a flight to catch, guys. Gotta catch you guys later. This is Dr. Cool Auto Fix. Bye for now.